गुरु
Welcome, sir.
So that side.
Sorry, sir.
एक साथ साथ में फोटो साथ में आईपीएससी कैंपर में मिशन विजन भी लगे हुए कॉलेज का आईपीएससी।
1 minute वो एक्स्ट्रा दे दो।
बड़ा हो
ठीक है।
अरे कहाँ ठीक है, बड़ा है ठीक
हो जाए चाहिए
बड़ा पूरा बड़ा ठीक बड़ा।
ओके थैंक यू सर।
Sir, this is our vision of the IQAC cell to promote the quality culture as the prime concern of the higher education institution through institutionalizing and internalizing all the quality enhancing sustaining initiatives taken with internal and external support. When we talk about the mission, it is relevant to the mission of the institution to stimulate the academic environment for the promotion of the quality of the teaching, learning and research in the campus through encouraging self-evaluation, accountability and innovation. Conducting quality-related research studies, consultancy and training programs, making the faculties and students acquainted with the latest technological development in the field of information communication. Further, to promote overall development of the students through the extracurricular and extension activities within and beyond the campus for the social development, to ensure optimum student support and staff welfare facilities, to strive for the continuous institutional growth through good governance initiatives, to arrange for the periodic assessment and accreditation of the institution. Composition of the IQAC this year 23-24 we have Dr. Jinesh Kumar Jain as a chairperson. He is the principal of our college. Coordinator myself. Co-coordinator Dr. Mahendra Singh Tarwal, he is sitting over there. And we have faculty member Dr. Sunil Borasi, he is the assistant professor of botany. Mr. Sanjay Kumar Patwa, assistant professor economics. Mr. Dharmendra Jamra, he is the assistant professor of sociology. Mrs. Surbhi Chaure, assistant professor physics, and Ms. Meenakshi Yadav, assistant professor English. Arun Tiwari sir, Mr. Rajendra Upadhyay sir, and Mr. Sunil Kashif and Dr. Baby Chawla is our community representative. For technical support, we have Dr. Pankaj Khairnar, Dr. Abhishek Agarwal, Mr. Deepak Malakar, and Dr. Jyoti Kashif. Office staff, Mrs. Sulochana Uparia, and as an alumni, we have Mr. Shyamlal Agarwal, to whom you had met yesterday. Stakeholder, Mr. Pankaj Khanderia. These are the core areas of the IQAC striving. Next. This is the workflow of the IQAC. First we plan, then we do the self-assessment. After that we collect all the data, and with that we just analyze the gap between our planning. Then again we plan, and according to that we prepare one standard operating procedure and we set the benchmark. Next. These are the strategies of the IQAC to act as a nodal agency to coordinate quality related activities including adoption and dissemination of the best practice, to evolve quality culture in the institution in synchronization with the norms and guidelines prescribed by the national and international educational agencies. Third strategy is to evolve quality benchmarking system for the various academic and administrative activities in synchronization with the institutional as well as national mandates and priorities. Second last is dissemination of the information on the various quality parameters and sensitization of stakeholders on relevance and quality in academic and research to ensure timely, efficient and progressive performance. To encourage self-evaluation, accountability and innovation in teaching, learning, research. These are the recommendations by the previous NET cycles. First was that appointment of the regular faculty and support staff to meet the requirement. Now we have 14 regular teaching faculties and 20 non-teaching supporting staff. Second, facility gymnasium, judo, karate, yoga for physical fitness. We conduct we have started the Prayas class. Next, third was trust may be given to the ICT tool.
Of writing in the very big registers, etc. Right?
Okay, we will just do partial. We will just make.
No, teaching learning okay.
Yesterday
But governance, e-governance
Uh,
is not up to the mark.
Next, obtain impressive research grants. So you have seen one that is research committee is formed. Student preliminary research grant permitted. My one student, she has her that project is accepted.
By
She,
whom?
by the central sector, that is scholarship. She got 20,000 scholarship.
No. What is the agency which has sanctioned the
Central sector, sir.
central sector? What is
That
that?
one.
Ministry of Higher Education, huh?
No.
Huh?
National agency. It was national agency. I had called her, but she is busy. She is doing job there.
If-
Basically, Bhopal, we have proof for that.
Why you are not shown it in the principal's presentation yesterday?
Sir, actually,
This
what
research part. But now you are showing research grant. One student has got grant, one faculty has got grant. What is MPCST? Madhya Pradesh? What is MPCST? Madhya Pradesh? CST means Central Sale Tax.
नहीं सर मैं कॉस्ट था
सेंट्रल स्टूडेंट
No.
नहीं MPCST मध्य प्रदेश काउंसिल ऑफ
Science and Technology.
Science and Technology. Content preparation.
Hmm.
Just we have organized few FTP workshop. Even teachers have attended the FTP
Okay.
workshop. Next, ensure systematic and effective student counseling mentoring. So now we have these all are the action plan. Yesterday you have seen. Next, sir, one more thing we have prepared one that future development plan.
Perspective plan.
Perspective plan. I will show you.
Yesterday you did not. It was not complete, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It was blank.
It mentioned new post of the teaching and non-teaching staff as per UGC norms. Next, we will organize 1 month faculty development program with.
We will organize, not organized.
We will organize. Sorry, sir. Emphasis on the spoken English at institute level.
Okay.
We will prepare a proposal for the ICT tools and
So,
playground.
how do they earn only outside? They earn money while learning.
No, students only will earn money, no.
Right?
That only
How do they earn money?
Sir, just now we have just prepared the Amrit Jal and all, Amrit Mitti and all, they will do all the things and
that is
then other courses.
just like entrepreneurship.
Yes, entrepreneurship and
Okay.
that students will complete the tele and other courses also,
Right,
they
right.
will get the job. We will make a plan to run a canteen and student facilitation center through by alumni association with the students. We will make institutional scholarship policy for the economical weaker toppers with the help of NGOs and different foundations. We will planning for.
That is the assessment of the outcome. You understand?
Understand.
Suppose you conduct a blood donation camp.
Yes.
Get the feedback from them. You maintain record for that. Right, next.
Next, produce.
Okay.
Swachhata Abhiyan and all. NSS.
In Green Campus,
Yes, sir.
how can you measure the outcome? What we did, I tell you one simple example. Sir, in our university, we have lush green campus. We invited our environment minister for environment and climate change. We have one minister in the state government. We invited him for a function in the university. He attended the function. Afterwards, we took him to the entire campus. Then we requested him to issue a certificate. Happily, he gave a certificate of appreciation. See, that is measurement of the outcome. So you call local district collector or sanitary inspector or municipal commissioner, somebody, and sir, please see, we have a green campus, issue a certificate, take a photo. That is assessment of outcome. It requires imagination and fertile imagination of the people.
This certificate.
Yes, right. Next.
So we have done that green audit. We have that green audit certificates. We will show you.
NSS, NCC we won't ask because you got award. If your students get award, that award itself is a sort of appreciation.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
Next.
Physical infrastructure.
Hmm.
Next. Next. Induction programs. Next. So these are the guidance of the competitive exam.
Yes, we have to visit the competitive exam cell.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
They are good. Next.
Hmm.
Guidance of the. So these are the certificates which we got from the Navona Academy.
Hmm.
Next. Guidance of the so we organize that welfare that career fair, job fair every year. Next.
How many of your students were placed in this job fair?
Sir, last year only Sally is there. Next. Flag, sir, we just have prepared few that designed few flagship programs like
Okay.
Praveen, Arogya, Nirbhaya, Haritima, Karuna. Next. New initiatives in the sustainable development goals. Sir, these are the few that examples of the different activities which we conduct under the aegis of these flagship programs. Like under the Praveen, we just go for the research, seminar, workshop, exhibition, e-content development, video lectures. Next. So these are the pictures of Praveen. Next. These in the sustainable development goals, Arogya. Next.
Hmm.
Blood, so these blood donation camp, vaccination, Tikakaran.
Right.
Next, gymnasium, yoga activity, plantation. Next,
Hmm.
Nirbhaya, sir, empowered women, developed nation.
Hmm.
Sir, under this we have semi boys and girls both. We have different NCC and SSC unit for girls and boys separately. Next, so these are the again cutting.
Women empowerment. Okay. Next.
Next, please. So these are sports achievements prize certificate. This is also next. Haritima. Under Haritima we have sir this green and green campus botanical few pictures.
Hmm.
Next, then again paper cutting and different activities of the Eco Club and NSS and all. Karuna, mountain. Next is the picture. So
Okay.
there is difference to all these any.
What is that? When you are doing something, you must show it.
Okay.
That is the student welfare measure.
Okay.
Group insurance for students is a
Student
student welfare
welfare.
measure.
स्टूडेंट को फायदा भी
You
मिला
show me that evidence
दे
also.
दे दे सर नोट कर लेना उनको क्या क्या देना
I
चाहिए.
have asked several things. Please note down.
पहले
Hmm.
assessment, FTP for engagement of the faculty, prepared submitted SSR for the third cycle. We have prepared policy document for the institutional code of conduct. We have conducted triple S, conducted survey for benchmarking. Next by the IQAC, sir, these are the workshops, data of the workshops and seminars.
Okay.
Next, the different policies we have.
No, go to the previous.
Previous पे जाइए.
During 2021 COVID period, you have conducted 15. That means webinars, sir.
Webinars.
That is why-
Webinars.
See,
Yes, sir.
during the COVID period, it is not possible to conduct seminar.
Yes, sir.
It is only webinar.
Webinar. Yes, sir.
Particularly during the COVID period, the
Yes.
number is more.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yesterday,
Mhm.
there was one erroneous figure during the COVID period.
Sir, it was by mistake.
All these policies in the college website.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It is there.
Next.
Next.
Hmm.
We have cultural and industrial visit brochure of that surgeon, science, techno, management, feast and arts and commerce exhibition.
Hmm.
Sir, that.
Okay.
Next.
नेक्स्ट
हाँ जी. So this is also there. Save the girl child workshop one day e-resource. Next करिए. Sir ये सब वही है सर सारा. Sir for that. Next.
Every year on which day you celebrated?
What sir?
Voter Awareness Day.
What awareness day?
संविधान दिवस 25
25th January.
Yeah.
या
Hmm.
Next. Sweep activity. He is the
Expand
in charge.
sweep, systematic voters education and electoral participation. Okay.
Yes sir.
But in one place I remember to have seen some 17,000 square feet. Is it true? Correct?
Yes, it was correct. We had done just, I think in profile it is written.
See, I wrote on the basis of your SSR before coming to the college. 17,000 and odd square feet. But
sir, when we talk about the IT facility, computer systems, 17-18, we had 48.
Totally, you have only 55 systems, computer
Sir,
systems.
sir, it is the data of 21-22.
I need to see certain things.
Yes, sir.
One is MOUs,
जी MOUs.
Sir,
right?
Yes,
Second one, the research grant.
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Research.
Probably the portal would not have accepted these MOUs because they must be in the stamped paper. 20 rupees is stamped or 100 rupees is stamped paper. That is the reason you said, sir, portal is not accepting our MOUs. Because it is in a plain paper. Sometimes they may accept. But
sir,
normal way is, we in our university, all the MOUs are except foreign MOUs. Foreign MOUs, they will not send in stamped paper. National level, state level, regional level MOUs should be in stamped paper. Hereafter, you buy the stamped paper in the name of the college. 100 rupees, you just check.
Okay.
Earlier it was 20 rupees, now it is 100 rupees, I remember. It must be there.
Okay, sir. Computer में से बुलवा दो.
But
Yes, sir.
DVV relates to quantitative valuation only, quantitative metrics. Please put. But in quantitative metrics, how can that be? Probably they would have checked. See, DVV is done by sending mails to your students, your alumni, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So they should have.
No,
I
sir.
advise you, Sadia Patel.
Yes.
Whenever hereafter you prepare SSR,
Yes, sir.
please contact the nearby institutions which have just concluded the accreditation process,
Okay.
so that you will get an idea, get their experience.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, all of us, see, you are sincerely doing the work, but there is a format. Even if you prepare a paper for publication, you must send the paper in the required format only, not
Yes,
in
sir.
your one format.
Yes, sir.
More
Same
lenses
thing.
are there.
Same thing. In 21, 22, 14, did you attach all the pass certificate copies?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then why you are receiving query for that? Result sheet.
Yes, sir.
Have you not attached the result sheet?
Sir, actually what happens, we didn't read the TR sheet, na? That's why. Only few TR sheets were available.
No. Whenever you say pass percentage, the university result qualitative metrics.
Okay.
MOU I have seen. Grant, that research grant.
वो कौन सा का paper?
23 only.
Yes, sir.
Just now you have registered.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Last year.
then it's
Last
all
year.
right. Suppose you have registered years, then every year you must renew it.
Definitely, sir. We will.
Renewal.
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 Have you submitted the constitution of this alumni? Have you mailed it?
पहले सर हमने एलुमिनी तो कहीं करवाई लेकिन रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं करवा पाए, नहीं तो हम 2-3 सालों से कंटिन्यू गतिविधि है उसकी, रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं हो पाया था उसमें।
अब हो गया।
Now we bata.
You have registered with
हाँ.
Sadhya. In future,
Yes, sir.
when you want to renew,
Yes,
you
sir.
must maintain proper accounts
Okay.
for alumni.
Sure, sir.
Who is the alumni president, alumni secretary association? They should be in charge, treasurer.
Okay.
And accounts should be prepared,
Okay.
accounts should be audited,
Okay.
right?
Right.
And then they must submit copies of the accounts every year to the registrar of societies at the time of renewal.
Okay.
नेशनल लेवल की लागत 2021 से
You are the physical director.
जी
What's your name?
कर्नाटक
Huh?
नितेश कुमार कर्नाटक
What is your qualification?
सर यूनिवर्सिटी
Nagpur University.
सर प्रियंका मैम चंदेल
सर प्रियंका चंदेल
फूड असिस्टेंट जैसे ये कर्म सिंह नाम से
That's separate.
हम
Two teachers for girls. Karate.
नहीं क्यों नहीं की टीचर
Three teachers.
ये कोचिंग देते हैं कराटे की मैडम गर्ल्स के लिए है यहाँ पे
What do you teach to the students? What,
स्पोर्ट्स सर
sports. Okay. You are also qualified to be
Correct.
please.
जी, सरकार है।
जिससे पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी से ये लड़की एमपीएड भी कर रही है
ये सर 2017,
गोल्ड
2018
मेडलिस्ट है सर ये।
और 2020 में गोल्ड मेडल है खेलो इंडिया में अमित काले।
आपके
और
पास
जयश्री पचौरी जो भी हाल ही में गोल्ड मेडल
सर
लगा।
ये गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट है।
So can we call them as national champion
जी
or
सर।
national champion?
चलो
Okay.
नेशनल।
But this is all outside the assessment period. 21, 22.
हाँ ये 22, 23।
This is all 22, 23, 23, 24.
20 to 23 है।
सही है।
इसकी ये उसका मैदान
मतलब हमारे साथ दिक्कत ये है थोड़ी सी, महाविद्यालय के पास बहुत सारे खिलाड़ी हैं, बहुत सारी प्रतिभाएं हैं ग्रामीण अंचल में, लेकिन महाविद्यालय के पास ग्राउंड नहीं है।
में होने चाहिए, आपको नहीं, आपको तो क्रिएट करना है जी।
लेकिन सर हमारे बच्चे जो भी व्यवस्था है शासन द्वारा महाविद्यालय द्वारा हम सारी चीजों में मैनेज कर लेते फिर भी खिलाड़ी निकलते हैं।
Request की have such facilities in the college, he will definitely try to government.
Ask him, in the indoor stadium, we visited yesterday gym. Inside it is a small room like this, there are instruments. But some instruments are outside.
Equipments, they are outside instruments, sir.
Oh,
These equipments are made for outside only.
but you are here and indoor stadium is there. Who is looking after?
हरदा स्टेडियम
Outdoor equipments.
outdoor
Every family MP, we have these outdoor equipments for doing one event.
क्योंकि अभाव में प्रतिभाएं निखरती।
सर मना मंडलेकर अभी हाल ही में पीएम मोदी नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने उनका भी स्टेटमेंट दिया था यही के कॉलेज
डाल दिए।
एक्टिविटीज से सारे हमने जो बच्चे इन्वॉल्व हुए हैं उनके सारी एक्टिविटी से रिसीव है जो एक्टिविटी होती है उसमें रखते ईयर बाई ईयर पूरी फाइल होती है।
Okay. In career guidance cell, what type of training you give the students for developing the soft skills?
Soft skills are during the session 18-19 computer accounting, telework हुआ है सर। और इसी का शेड्यूल one of schedule given by the career guidance cell higher education also. They office management type of activities skills provided.
Do you look after placement also or placement cell is different?
No, this was also.
Is US only?
Yes.
But you have not collected data for the earlier years. For the 5 years, the data shows only 11 or 12 students have been placed during the 5 years.
Yes.
The figure is totally disproportionate.
सर जो प्लेसमेंट से यहाँ होते हैं प्लेसमेंट से कंपनियाँ जो देती हैं ये सब डेटा अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर सम स्टूडेंट प्रोवाइडर्स व्हाटएवर दे आर प्लेस सम वन प्लेसिंग
So okay, fine. Offer letter.
यस
is there.
ऑफर लेटर
Right.
यस
Right.
सर यस सर
But for how many students it is here?
सर
Ah,
यस वो
17.
वो फिगर डिफरेंस है 17
700 students.
यस
Huh? Out of 700 students, at least 200 students would be employed.
प्लेसमेंट हुए तो
Yes,
पूरा
yes, sir.
I'm not talking very high number.
Yes.
At least 200.
सर
You have got only 11.
सर दिस इज
Now, what the committee will think, whether your placement is poor or you have not collected
डाटा कलेक्शन नहीं है
Then how to-
प्लेसमेंट तो है प्लेसमेंट तो है so many good things
Ah.
यस सर
only thing that details is the data collection. Actually, you have had this alumni association registration.
Means some 100 people. BBA means some 100 people, like that. So there should be at least 1,000 students alumni. Then you collect the data from them. You create a portal, alumni portal.
यस
हमारी ये सजेशन है
Ah,
नेक्स्ट ईयर कंपाइलेशन अच्छा होगा।
ओके सर
anyhow, in future,
हाँ, ये बन गई है। सोने का थोड़ा पीछे हो।
वैल्यू पेड किए तो बहुत चंदन लाल चंदन
तो घर कहाँ में जाएगा आपकी? जी सर।
और ये जो ये पैसे तो
But you have to water them.
जी सर
Dry.
अभी सर अभी बिकॉज ऑफ
Why don't you have a sprinklers? Sprinklers.
जी सर
Huh?
कलकत्ता
जी सर श्योर नेक्स्ट टाइम
Nice. Botanical garden is nice. Herbal garden is nice. But still, but what is the use? Do you are growing them? How is it useful to the
चेक कर लो, चेक करो लगा के बताओ।
Who is benefited by this herbal?
Sir, only that students are benefited. Actually, there is some kind of herbal plants are also there. Like sindoor is also there. And even students know what is sindoor and how does it work.
बोटेनिकल गार्डन है तो कॉलेज के लोग बेनिफिटेड हो रहे हैं।
ये साफ बाली रखना बाबू, बस जाए उसके हिसाब से रख, थाली के हिसाब से ज़्यादा।
मैंने आपको एक सील का और भेजा है।
अरे फोटो खींच ले भाई।
लोकल पे हाँ
सर प्लीज कम है
सर आपकी कई जगह से थोड़े बड़े साइज में होता है ना, यहाँ का थोड़ा सा अलग है।
सर मिली हुई सर
It is in our institutional distinctiveness.
Yes, I have seen. Not only this, they are very slow. Can you explain the process? How do you prepare the vermicompost?
So he is the in charge.
आउटर या आउटर का शेयर एंड प्लांट्स
College only or outside?
आउटसाइड सर, आउटसाइड ये जो है
ये बाहर से
ऊपर साइड में ये लेस मीट है सर, ये आउटसाइड से होता है। ये शेडिंग के लिए सर एक्चुअली
कलेक्शन की बात की
Okay, explain the process. How do you make the vermicompost? Process.
सर इसमें किया जाता है कंपोस्टिंग खाद के रूप में निर्मित होता है।
Will it be open like this or it will be closed? Closed.
हाँ
ये सब कंपोस्ट है सर,
Oh, right.
ये सर 10-11 मंथ हो चुका सर लगभग। इसका एक परमानेंट है सर, सीमेंटेड भी हमारे पास।
बहुत बढ़िया है।
इज इट एक्टिव और नॉट?
तो इनका बहुत बंदा आपको एक्सप्लेन करने का
जैविक
जैविक होता भी बहुत है।
What is that your students do not know the weight? Huh? Okay. What is this one?
This is the recent process.
बोलना चाहिए ना यार अभी।
No, how long do they have to do that?
No sir, at least
6 months.
at least. Sir, first time when we do it will take time. But
आपके यहाँ तो इधर तो बहुत होता है, घर के माल तो बहुत होता है।
सर देखो गर्मियों में यहाँ पे बहुत इकट्ठे करते हैं यहाँ पे खाते हैं।
सबसे अच्छी
Sir, one more thing, sir, that sports students they want to do. Just 5 minutes.
सर हम लोग कोई भी कार्यक्रम स्टार्ट करने से
विदिन 5 मिनट्स जो तुम्हारा बेस्ट हो वो दिखाओ।
सर जल्दी कर दीजिए।
टाइम कम है जल्दी।
समय का
गुड नाइस नाइस थैंक यू
सर हम लोगों की विश्वविद्यालय
सर दर्शन हो रहे हैं टीम कीर्तन अभी हाल ही में खेलने गए थे पार्वती बचानी है हाल ही में स्टेट नहीं किया
सर विश्वविद्यालय सर मेरे ग्रुप फोटो
यस वी विल टेक
Prepared only. It is ready. It is ready.
वो आईपीसी नहीं है हाँ जी आईपीसी रूम नहीं है
चलो फोटो बता जाओ। आईडी ब्राइटनेस कौन सा वाला है? M2 है। M2 अच्छा है।
तो नारायण भी है ना, नारायण भी है।
चलो
अरे नारायण ये प्रिंटर चाहिए, बताओ ना कोई अच्छा वाला। क्या बंदा चाहिए प्रिंटर?
यार क्या ही भर रहे हैं।
चला
ये उनका वाला गजू भैया वाला होगा ठीक।
वही तो बोला कि कौन सा चालू है।
गजू भैया तरफ का उठा ले।
उन्हीं को यहाँ ले आए
ये डेमो वाली कटेगी, ये वाले फोटो
वेरी गुड। कहीं पहुंच जा।
सर ऐसे मैडम बोल रही है, अगर बात मैडम की एक फोटो हो जाए।
खाली कुर्सी पे अच्छी नहीं लग रही लेकिन। हाँ यार अपनी
बंद कर दे वो। उसमें एरर दे देती हो, बंद हो जाए।
दौड़ गए।
सर थोड़ा उधर से ये दो से आ रहे हैं ना, हाँ थोड़ा अंदर हो जा। हाँ बस आ जाए। नहीं आ जाए सर, आपको नहीं हटाएंगे। हम ले नहीं करना। वीडियो ले लेंगे।
2 मिनट और रुक जाओगे मैडम आने।
जाऊँ क्या?
कंप्लीट करके आपको दिया।
Now it's set. Okay, principal area 3. Okay, you send it to my phone. Whenever people talk about NAC, you can see our photo.
एक आध कार्ड बना देना यार मेरे को। तो हमारे जूनियर है चक्कर है, हम तो उनके सीनियर रह चुके हैं। हम 2000 पहले के यहाँ से।
खाली है, पत्थर खा जाओ।